everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do an English speaking practice, and today is kind of very hot day, so just cannot able to find a time to basically do the English practice. So in the evening basically I'm trying to basically do that, and past couple of days I missed like uploading videos. There's something other thing which is running on, and so today that thing which I'm going to talk about is time management, like because nowadays I'm lacking, and how much it is important to basically managing your time, because nowadays there is a lot of activities which you can do, and you don't know basically why you are doing that. So yeah, this is very important nowadays, and there's a lot of people's, if I talk about like hedge fund managers and who's over in a financial field, they basically try to at least manage their time very well, because they know if they need to basically ahead from a challenger, so he should need to basically manage his time carefully, because whenever you are like wasting your time, there is someone who is practicing and working hard, so we need to understand that, and then after basically uh, we need to basically manage our time very carefully. And so in this video basically I'm going to talk about this thing, because in if you manage your 20s or late 30s very well in managing your time, so you can manage your whole life in a very fruitful way. So this I found out from the books, and there's a lot of biography which I've read, because we can able to learn from their mistakes and their basically ups and downs, because this is a part of basically life. Whenever sometimes we get upset, sometimes we get happy, so there is one thing which is very common in human behavior as well. So along with that, we need to also know about like how to manage our emotions, because it's very easy to basically express your energy or an emotions to one field. But yeah, so we need to manage all these things. And if I talk about like time management, if in the early days there is no one which basically are going to basically talk you like this thing is very important. Once you got rejected, or you can get a situation where nobody is helping you, or you can say there are multiple times you will get like how much it is important to give your time to your priorities which you have like taken out from yourself. So yeah, and so for today's video, that is it. I think I should need to basically speak on this video about like how we need to basically like what are the things which is very important to manage your time. Basically the very famous and the most common one is like writing down your task in the morning and then completing it. But yeah, our mind try to basically skip that, but if we are going to follow it, we will get a result. If we are not going to follow that, we will not get a result. So this is as simple as that. And as I promised myself that I'm going to upload videos every single day, but I basically missed some sort of times, so that costs something, whether I'm basically feeling it or not, but it is the things which is basically I'm missing out some sort of things. So on this video, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you not, so you can watch my previous videos as well. I have uploaded multiple videos on the English language basically, because if you want to basically speak English, so you need to basically start from the today only, because there are a lot of people who are actually want to basically speak, but still they do have a fear of speaking, so that's why they cannot able to speak rest of their life. So that is very most important things which I've learned from in my early phases. And if you want to do something, from start from today only, not tomorrow, because nobody know the future. You can basically make your future now only. Okay, bye bye, have a good day.